It's nicely packaged. A couple pieces to assemble, a little parts kit, and extra replacements. Getting it all disassembled. Let's look at the instruction book. First remark, take all protective caps off of support tube, parts D, E, and F before assembly. Okay. Okay, we have all our parts organized on our metallic tray. First thing is to take part BL, connect it to AL. And to do that, we're going to get this little bracket I and a little K screw. K wasn't labeled, but it's these right here. These little parts here. Use the supplied Allen wrench and it should look like that. Okay, we got this little bracket in here and slid this in. Nice tight fit. Okay, push the little bracket on. No, it has to go on the sleeve first. Okay, slide that in there. Get it in there tight. Okay, there we go. I know we've got the two major legs put together. Now we're going to assemble them to the chair itself. We're going to attach this leg. Now this is going to go into this hole this way, and then hold that right there. This lines up, and this one doesn't do anything, but this one lines up too. Haft fasten. I don't know what that means. If that's H-A-L-F typo, put them in here. We're going to attach the second side. I noticed that we have metal inserts in all three, and on the other one it was only in one and there were black inserts. Interesting. We got the next three on. Tighten them up by hand. Now we're going to add part D, the support tube, and put it across here with K screws and washers and caps. Okay, take the plastic tabs off the outside. Sort of obvious, you can't get the bolts in if you don't. Can't really tell by the picture which way that curve goes, but since these other three are curved downward, we're going to put this one curving downward also. Okay, well that's interesting, because I guess we're going to have to just bend this out and force that in there to catch. Okay, it was hard to get this in here, so what we did is we loosened up these screws and then pull these ends apart and wedge this down here. We'll get this attached and then we'll start tightening it all back up again. Okay, we're going to do E now, and then F. We're going to do the same thing. K screws, washer, and we'll get all assembled. We'll go back and tighten everything and put those little end caps on. Okay, we got this E bar, and these little rubber things will face to the top of the chair, presumably to hold and rest against that upper back. Now we're going to put the F bar in the back here. Looks like it's symmetrical. Okay, put the long bolts in here, and it actually is going to tighten it up all the way through. I think make this back align. And the next one goes underneath this little holder here and to the side. Tightens up. We've gone and tightened up all the bolt heads, and we're going to put the plastic caps on. The end caps. It puts them on here too, but they already came with caps. Looks like they're rubber wheels. And in addition to having these here, I guess you put two here also. Just keeps everything from scratching you up. And we're done. Oh, we have to put this little P thing on, storage bag. Put all the caps on. I should have read the end of the instructions, hardware N and O. Till now you have finished the whole assembly. Enjoy your furniture. It's a little out of alignment. You can see this thing catches on the black cap, and this one's on the bar. Maybe it'll wear in to itself. Last piece, got some Velcro. And just wrap it around here, connect it to itself. All right, let's open it up. Let's see how easy it is to move. Pick it up, move it. Let's see how it fits. 6'4". Ah, is it comfortable? Put your head back. Nice. You can see the back of the Chaise lounge. It's hitting the metal on this side, and it's not coming on this side. It's the metal, so when you try to put it down, you have to pull this in, and it goes all the way to the edge of the black cap. And here it's barely riding on it. Okay, I got these fit correctly. What I did is I just opened this up, I grabbed this, and I twisted it a little bit, bent the metal. I tried to bend all these things, it didn't do anything. And now it fits perfectly. Light as can be, comfortable. I don't know what it weighs, I have to look. 10, maybe 12 pounds, easy to lift, one hand.